What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to make, what's up, YouTube? Today we're going to run an LLM locally in just 5 minutes. This is now really easy to do using Llama CPP. This is a project that can run any LLM on CPU or on GPU. And especially with these small LLMs, all you need is enough physical RAM to run it. You can run it on CPU, and they run fast. Okay, let's get to it. We're starting a new project, and this is just in PyCharm. You can do this wherever you want. It's creating a new kind of environment for this. We'll just call everything 5-minute LLM. Keep it simple. It's creating Conda. All right, we're up. Okay, so the only thing that we need is to install Llama CPP Python. So this is just a Python wrapper around Llama CPP. Let's get going on writing our Python code. This can take a minute. It's going to build the Llama CPP. Okay, so now we have our Llama. We need a model to use with this. So all of the Llama CPP stuff runs on this gguf files. These are super efficient ways to store, retrieve, and use and load LLMs. So we just need to get one, and we can get it using get LFS. So let's get a medium-sized model. This is a 7B model. Who is Elon Musk? Elon Musk is a well-known entrepreneur, inventor. Ta-da! All done. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about what's happening in tech and how to up-level your career as a software engineer, subscribe now.